Okay, everybody, I'm Harold with Nature's Friends. What we're going to do today is show y'all how to test light bulbs. I know that sounds simple, but it is actually more complicated than what you think. Okay, an LED bulb. You cannot check that with an ohm meter. Okay, here's your typical ohm meter. Okay, you put it on ohms. And on the LED bulb, you can't check it because if you see, it shows nothing. All right. So, incandescent bulb. Here you go. You got a reading, right? Okay, that means this bulb is good. All right. So, now this is a fluorescent bulb. Okay. Try to check this one with ohms. Nothing. All right. Check it with this tester right here. You see it comes on. Okay. So, this tests it and it works. Now this is an LED. We showed you that didn't work with the ohm meter. Now we're going to test it with this tester. And it comes on. Okay? So when you're checking your light bulb, LED or fluorescence got to be tested with a different kind of voltage tester. It can't be using a regular meter like this one. So until next time, I'm Harold with Nature's Friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.